So hopefully that went through, guys. If it didn't, I'm sorry, but we'll try again next time. All right. I'm going to open it up for questions. We've got another meeting we'll be running at 7. I will post the videos onto the main splash page. Your job for this week. Al, you can tell them. I've been doing all the talking.
Okay, what part do you want me to tell them? Go.
Just tell them what to tell them to do.
Ah, fantastic. We want lab 5A and 5B to be finished. We want to have also chapter 5, part 2 tolerance be used onto it. We didn't get a chance to do part 3 dim part of it, but we will do that next week just to touch off on it. You go down a little bit, please, Joe. You see videos there, and you also see our PDFs and also a B-size title block right there also. So if you don't have it, all you have to click on it, it automatically opens up a B-size title block for you.
Right. Al likes to put the content that you immediately need on the main splash page, but don't forget to check in the content section over here under Lab 5. All right. Thanks, Al. I'm going to wrap this up, guys. Any questions before we end the meeting?
I have a quick question for you.
Sure.
It's about today's assignment. Those imperial prototype, I followed the instructions from the book, and then they didn't require dimensioning on them. Is it okay?
Yes. What they do is they go into the dimensioning in chapter 6. So you can put them on, or you can just work ahead into chapter 6 and start to put the dimensions on according to the dimension standards that they tell you to create in chapter 6.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. And that's what I recommend. If you are going to go through and dimension your floor plans, read through how to create a dimension style in chapter 6. It's toward the end of the chapter, and they have you go through and follow it step by step with the instructions.
Okay.
All right, great. Sounds good. All right, any other questions? Okie doke. We'll see you online next week. If you have any questions, just instant message us and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Go ahead, have a good night. Get to work. We'll see you next week.
Bye now.
Bye.